New year means new laws. So here's a list of some of the many acts now in effect for 2025. One of them allows temporary permits for out-of-state licensed registered nurses to practice right here in Hawaii. That starts July 1st. Then there's another that now requires beverages that have a 0.5% alcohol content to be considered beer. And then a third law establishes kalo or taro as the official plant of the state of Hawaii. Now, there's one more law that now provides more medical options for teens in Hawaii to help prevent sexually transmitted infections, and our Eric Nacton reports.
A new law in effect this year authorizes minors who are at least 14 years old to consent to medical care and services for sexually transmitted infections, pregnancy, and family planning services. It'll require confidentiality policies and practices for insurers and healthcare providers.
If I'm 14 and my girlfriend, boyfriend, whomever has syphilis, maybe they have gonorrhea, can I come into an office and just get a prescription without parental consent?
Correct. Right. So that was already true prior to this law. So prior to this law, you could already get treatment for sexually transmitted infections because of Hawaii revised statute. So now this just extended it to the prevention. We had to wait until somebody had the disease before we could intervene with the prior law. Now the law allows people to prevent these as well, with whether that is something like PrEP, which is a pill that prevents HIV, or a vaccine, in addition to the screening and treatment that was already accessible by minors in Hawaii.
Local residents with kids and grandkids made their feelings known to Isla News.
I feel it's important for me to know what my children are going through.
They need to make some decisions on their own. On the other hand, you would hope that their communication with their parents is such that they could speak to their parents.
They're still minors. So it seemed like, the state is just trying to give them more of an option to be able to make their own decisions.
What type of services will this provide that maybe were not available 5 or 10 years ago?
So one of the most important ones is PrEP, or pre-exposure prophylaxis. This is an evidence-based medication that prevents HIV. So this will be at the Hawaii Health and Harm Reduction Center. We're located in Kaka'ako.
For more information, visit KITV.com. Eric Nacton, Isla News.